Hey guys, welcome back to T2's Barbecue YouTube channel. Today we're going to do another cobbler. We're going to do an apple cobbler today. Dana made a crumbly Dutch apple pie earlier, and she had some apples left over. So I said, hey, let's just make a cobbler. So we've done the peach, and I told you guys that you can use any fruit. Well, today we're going to use apples. So stick with us and we'll get this thing going. Alright guys, so let's get this thing started. I've already got my pan in the oven with my butter, letting my butter melt. So while that's working, we just went in with 1 cup of flour, 1.5 cups of white sugar, and we need 2 teaspoons of baking powder. So 1, 2, and we'll whisk our dry ingredients, get everybody blended and incorporated well. Let me check on the butter and see if it's melted, and we'll get that pulled out and get this thing finished up and put together. See you guys in just a couple of minutes. Okay. Alright guys, so we've got our butter melted and we're ready to put this thing together. So I'm going to pour in 3/4 cup of milk and just start working to incorporate it. You notice I'm not going all the way to the outside. I'm just trying to pull the stuff in. You don't want to overwork it. Just pull it in and let it get wet, and then we'll work it out smooth. Starting to thicken up here. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. All right, guys, I've got to get my brown sugar, so give me just a minute and we'll bring it right back. Alright guys, so we've got our butter melted and got our batter put together. I'm gonna bring my butter up the sides just a little bit. I know it'll push up with the batter, but it just makes me feel good to do it that way. I know that the bottom part's not going to stick too bad. Now we're just going to bring our batter in. Alrighty. Looking good already. So then need about a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. I'm gonna cheat today. I've already got brown sugar on my apples, so I don't really need that much. I'm just gonna give it a little bit here to help make that little crust that I like. And now we're gonna go in with our apples. boy, they're smelling good. Alright guys, I will see you back here. We're going to slip this into the oven, 350, and I'll see you guys back here in about 45 minutes. Alright guys, hey, we just pulled this thing out of the oven, and boy does it look good. It smells good in here too. So, it's super hot, so I can't pick it up and show you. I almost had a little error, but it didn't quite run all the way down. But here we go. We have an apple cobbler, and just like I promised you, you can use any fruit, make this cobbler. You see the way the crust works, and get a little bit of texture to the top, and that'll firm up a little bit more as it sits. So hey guys, give it a whirl. It's fall, it's apple season. We're going to be doing apple butter here in a couple of weeks, and y'all give me a little input. If you'd like to see it, let me know. We can do that on video. So until we do another, thank y'all for tuning in.